Are you looking for a natural and delicious way to support your weight loss journey? Lemon balm tea might just be the solution you've been searching for. This aromatic herb has been cherished for centuries for its calming properties, and now it's gaining popularity as a weight loss aid. Stick around to discover 5 incredible recipes that not only taste amazing, but also help you achieve your weight goals. Lemon balm tea is more than just a soothing drink. It contains compounds that can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and promote relaxation, all of which are essential for maintaining a healthy weight. With the right recipes, you can harness its power to supercharge your wellness routine. Whether you prefer it hot, iced, or blended with other beneficial ingredients, these recipes are easy to prepare and packed with benefits. Many people struggle to find weight loss solutions that are both effective and enjoyable. Fad diets and harsh supplements can be difficult to maintain and may lead to burnout. What makes lemon balm tea stand out is its ability to integrate seamlessly into your daily life. By combining it with other weight loss-friendly ingredients, these recipes provide a sustainable, flavorful, and natural approach to achieving your goals. To get started, here are 5 of the best recipes. First, try a classic lemon balm tea infused with fresh lemon slices and honey, a perfect drink to start your day with a metabolism boost. Next, for a refreshing twist, mix lemon balm with green tea and mint leaves. This combination not only enhances flavor, but also amplifies fat-burning properties. For a more detoxifying option, blend lemon balm with ginger and turmeric, creating a powerful anti-inflammatory brew. If you prefer something fruity, a lemon balm and berry iced tea is both hydrating and low in calories. Finally, for a cozy evening drink, pair lemon balm with cinnamon and apple slices, a warm and comforting tea that curbs late-night cravings. Each of these recipes is designed to support your weight loss journey while delighting your taste buds. By incorporating these drinks into your routine, you're not just losing weight, you're embracing a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Start experimenting with these recipes today and feel the difference they make. Share your favorite recipe in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and recipes like these. Let's make your wellness journey enjoyable and effective together.